Hey, Legal Vices here. We're on a road trip today. Gonna go out through Korea, show you something else. We're gonna head to the city of Gyeongju. Now, Gyeongju is a very, very historical city. It was the capital of the Shilla Kingdom, which ruled about 2/3 of Korea from 57 BC to about 935 AD. So, I mean, there's temples. There's some very, very famous temples. There's lots of tombs of kings. There's a national museum there. There's some very special stuff there. But of course, halfway there it starts raining. So yeah, we'll have to see how much of the city we can see today, and then we'll come back again and do it a little bit later when the weather's better. But I'm already on my way, so what the hell. Let's just go and see how much of this historical site we can see today. Hey everybody, behind me is just one of the dozens and dozens of tombs that are around here in Gyeongju. No idea whose tomb this is, but it's kind of cool looking. Okay, here we are at a little place near Bomun. It's got a lovely little pavilion. There's some lotus flowers, a little lotus flower pond down here. We'll just walk on down there and see what it looks like. Over here we have a little water wheel. And it goes into the lotus pond. There's lots of little paths like this, places to walk around Gyeongju. It's raining, but who cares? Actually, I like it when it rains because that means there's less people. We'll walk down over here by the pavilion. Okay, down here in the pavilion, this is now becoming one of my favorite places to be. You can just sit out here and chill. There's the pavilion overlooking this lotus pond. The lotus flowers are just starting to come out. So even though it's raining today, it's a nice day just to sit here and relax a little bit, listen to the rain. Hey, I'm here at a coffee shop again. I'll tell you what, Koreans know how to do coffee. Their coffee shops are freaking gorgeous. So I'm just sitting here by a lake, drinking coffee, enjoying the day. Powder. Cheers. Time for the iced coffee. Hey, now here we are. We're in this park. It's like the tomb of the 5 kings. This is where 5 kings from the Shilla Dynasty are buried. This isn't the main tombs in Gyeongju, but there's no parking spots around the other one, so we have to just look at these today. We'll look at the others next time. But yeah, there's five tombs back here from 5 kings. And let's take a look at the place. This is the entrance to the park. Still raining. We're almost there to the forest. We're almost here through the forest. Okay. We're on our way to the 5 tombs. If this isn't a haunted forest, it should be a haunted forest. There should be ghosts here. There's the tombs off there in the distance. Raining like a mofo out here. Okay, here we are at the 5 tombs. There's 5 there. There's another stupid family that just came out here like me. They're getting soaked in the rain, just like me. Anyway, this is the 5 tombs here. We got the 1, 2 back there, then 3, and then 2 here stuck together. Yeah, it's much nicer when it's not raining. I'm soaking wet. I'm going back to the car. Well, that was quite a bust. Just the rain is pissing down. It's not enjoyable anymore. I did everything I could do in the rain, which is not much of anything what I wanted to do. So I think we're just going to call it a loss today, take the hour-and-a-half drive back home, and wait for a sunny day to do it again. Oh well, shit happens. Time to go. Until next time, enjoy your legal vices.